Hello everyone, good morning. Captain JC again. Today is March 14, 2020, and today is going to be my last day of domestic flight. That's because tomorrow the whole Metro Manila will be restricted for all domestic flights, and all travelers going in and out of Manila are going to be restricted because of the COVID-19 virus. About 2 days ago, the president declared the whole Metro Manila to be under community quarantine. They don't want to say it's going to be a lockdown because it is not a lockdown, because there are still some people who can get in and out of Manila depending on the type of job that they do. And it's going to be a sad day for everybody because as you all know, we are being paid by the hour. So all airline pilots and actually the cabin crew, we are being paid per hour of flight. Well, we have a base pay, and then on top of that, we are being paid what we call the productivity pay, which is the bulk of our income. This virus affected the airline industry sobra-sobra. As in, malaki yung effect niya. To the point that some companies already shut down. There are also some companies who laid off their employees. There are also some companies who canceled thousands of flights dahil lang sa virus na to. So the airline industry right now is so down because people don't want to travel anymore because they're so afraid of getting infected by the virus. So, supposed to be 4 legs yung lipad natin, pero ginawa na lang nilang 2 legs. I think binigay nila yung Sambuanga flight ko to other crew. That's because they want to balance yung flying time for all the crew so that wala namang masisiro for the month. Marami na masyadong natanggal na flights. Marami nang na-cancelled na lipad. All flights to China are cancelled. There was a time na na-cancel din yung flight to Taiwan, but I guess binalik na nila. And some flights to Korea. Pero okay na rin yung Korea yata ngayon. But the point is, this virus affected the airline industry in unprecedented manner. So let's go. It is a sad day for me because this is going to be my last flight, at least until April 15, because the lockdown is from March 15, which is tomorrow, until April 15. But they can lift the travel ban to domestic flights anytime, depende sa pag-aaral nila ng gobyerno natin. I think this is a good move for the government, although marami yung mawawala ng kita, but acting on it early. Right now we have, I think, more than 60 confirmed cases of COVID-19. And considering that number of patients sa ibang bansa, that is still low, and the government is acting on it already as early as this. So I think it is a good move. This virus affected a lot of people already, and especially the airline industry. Masyadong malaki yung effect niya sa airline industry because people don't want to travel anymore, and there are some countries that shut down all the traffic going in and out of their country. That's because they want to prevent the virus from spreading, and this took a big toll sa mga airline industries, airline companies. Katulad ng Flybe, I think Flybe already closed, and marami pang ibang airlines na nagsabi na kung tuloy-tuloy pa rin, talagang magko-close na sila. Some laid off their employees. We are so lucky na yung company namin are doing everything para hindi lang magbitaw ng mga tao. Hi guys, right now we are boarding all the passengers going to Tagbilaran. So full load kami ngayon. I guess lahat ng pasahero pupunta sa outside of Manila right now.
Platform 4 1617. Clear right side, sir.
Clear left side. Taxi November, hold short to 14.
Proceeding Bay 123 Lima. Roger.
Brakes check. Flight controls check.
Pull up. Pull down. Neutral. Full left. Full right. Neutral, rudder.
Rudder.
Full left. Full right. Neutral. My side, sir.
Clear left side.
The right side, sir. Right side.
Clear left side.
For maintenance, sir.
Roger. Hold your.
1617.
I'm a little bit naughty, I'm a little bit too consumed, but every part of my body is telling me to run away from you. Come a little bit closer, yeah, come a little bit closer, yeah, you're a little bit crazy.
Otherwise, there's traffic in place.
Thank you. Sir, traffic is ready.
Before takeoff checklist.
Flight control. Taxi
Check.
to where? Check 9311. Roger.
Check.
Position this time.
Confirm.
Flap setting.
Config 1.
Config 1. V1 VR
156, 156, 156, flex 57.
156, 156, 156, flex 57, ATC.
Set.
Keep the memo.
Takeoff.
Go down to the line.
Thank you.
Basta family-oriented ka, di ka mag-
Oo nga, totoo yan sir.
Family first.
Hindi mo talaga mapapalitan yung oras sa pamilya. Pag nawala yun, wala na.
Lahat, hindi mo na may babalik. Pero kitain mo pa.
Siguro pa sir, born 295.
Sorry po, yung S130, Pastor Bravo para may 130.
You're just wasting my time because you're scared and lonely. Finally got some closure. Yeah, I can finally start over.
2985, distance level 1.
So, that is our TOD. That means that we're going to start our descent. We are cruising at 33,000. We'll be performing Arnab approach for Bukod, Tagbara. So Arnab approach on the arrival and Arnab on the approach.
Manila Control, good morning, Philippine 1
Houston 787 for Arnab approach sa Manila Lockdown, report for right 66.
Airport Arnab Runway 03, report ticket command. 617.
500.
Yeah, to all my ladies who got a brother that
100
doesn't
above.
treat them right, put your
400.
finger right in his face and tell that man bye bye. I'm too fly,
Minimum.
I'm too fly.
300.
Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. Here's to the
200.
memories. Cheers to who used to be. Your friend said that you left
100.
me. I'm glad that's what
50,
you
40,
believe.
30, 20,
To all my
retard,
ladies who got a
retard,
brother that
10,
doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye bye. I'm too fly. I'm too fly. Oh, bye bye, bye bye. U-G-L-I, that's how you spell goodbye. U-G-L-I.
Nasa Tagbilaran na kami ni Sir Resty. Sir Resty yung lilipad pabalik ng Manila. Lipad tayo. Last flight. Going Manila. Si Sir Resty, upper class ko sa Air Force. Anong unit ka sa Air Force dati, sir? 205. Chopper pilot. Mga magigiting na chopper pilot ng 205. Hello raw, sabi ni Sir Resty.
SRS runway on Brasco.
50, 40, 30, 20, retard, 10, 5.
Monitors. First three. Diesel.
And we are done for today. Nakabalik na tayo ng Manila. So this will be my last flight for this month. Actually last domestic flight because on the 22nd meron pa akong Taipei. So the only flights that are canceled are those domestic flights going in and out of Manila. Pero yung mga regional flights and international flights tuloy pa rin. Hopefully matapos na tong crisis na to regarding the coronavirus. This is really sad days for us right now, not only in the airlines but a lot of businesses are closing because of this virus. Hopefully matapos na siya. So thank you again, hope you subscribe to my channel, and until next time, see you.